Magandang araw sa lahat. Ngayon ay September 12, 2020. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay about construction estimate. Ito po ay civil engineering topics. So, nung nakaraan, we discussed about how to compute the quantity of cement and sand for cement mortar for hollow blocks. Compare natin sa butas ng hollow blocks. And we discussed about how to compute the cement and sand for plastering, and how to compute the number of hollow blocks required. So ngayon, we will estimate the coating and the concrete column for the hollow blocks, concrete hollow blocks. So, itong topic na ito ay basic po ito na topic. Kailangan natin ito mag-estimate tayo ng minor na mga project. Halimbawa, kung magpagawa kayo ng fence around your house, so no need to hire an estimator. You can estimate by your own. And just follow this guide. So, let us go to our topic for today. So ito yung topic natin ngayon. How to compute quantity of cement, sand, and gravel for concrete hollow blocks, coating, and post. So ito yung example. Halimbawa, ito yung fence detail. Ito yung tinatawag natin na coating. Solid po ito. Concrete coating. Ito po yung hollow blocks. At ito po yung post. Concrete post. So the size of the post is 0.15 meter by 0.15 meter. So ito po ay 150 centimeter by 150 centimeter. And the height of the fence is 2.8 meters. And the length of the fence is 12.75 meters. So this is only an example how to compute the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel. For the concrete coating, ito yung patungan ng hollow blocks. And the post, ito yung kapitan ng hollow blocks. Yung thickness ng ating coating is 0.15 meter. So 150 cm. Yes. 150 mm, not cm, 150 mm. So yung size din dito, 150 mm din. By 150 mm size ng hose. Width is 0.5 meter. So yan po ay 50 centimeter. Okay? Yung thickness, 15 centimeter. Pag i-convert niyo sa mm, 150. Itong width, 500 mm. So ito yung size ng ating concrete coating. 150 mm by 500 mm by the length of 12.75 meter. Size ng ating post is 150 mm by 150 mm or 15 centimeter. So ngayon, this is the computation procedure. Okay. The computation procedure, the first one is to compute the total volume of concrete coating and post. So ang kailangan natin ay volume lang. So it is very basic how to compute the volume. So the formula of computing the volume of the coating is equal to the length times the width times the thickness. This is in meter. So balik tayo dito. Yung length natin ay 12.75. So ito. By the width is 0.5 meter. By the thickness of 0.15 meter. So multiply this 12.75 by 0.5 by 0.15 is equal to 0.96 cubic meter. So ito yung volume ng concrete coating. So next we will compute the volume of the post. Kung bilangin natin yung post dito ay 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 posts. The size is 0.15 by 0.15. So volume of the post is equal to the length times the width. This is the size of the post times the height of the post times the number of posts. So the length is 0.15 by 0.15 by 2.8 meters high by 5 numbers of posts. So ito yan dito. 0.15 by 0.15 by the height of 2.8 meters times the number of posts is 5. Okay. So the volume of the post is 0.32 cubic meter. So now, as we require the volume, so we need to sum up the two volume. Volume of the coating plus volume of the post. So the total volume is equal to 0.96. This volume of the coating plus 0.32 the volume of the post. So total volume is 1.28 cubic meter. So the next one, the next procedure is we need to compute the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel by using Class A mixture. So ito po yung table ng concrete proportion. Okay. So this is the mixture. There is a double A Class A, B, and C. Ito yung proportion ng mixture. If class A, 1 is to 1.5 and is to 3. Yung class A lang, 1 is to 2 is to 4. So ito yung cement in bags, no? There are 40 and 50. Now we are use this 40 kilogram. This is the sand and this is the gravel. This data is constant. Okay, no need to compute. Just multiply directly by this multiplier, this constant multiplier. So now we need to compute the cement by using class A mixture. So cement is equal to the total volume. So we need only the volume multiplied by the constant multiplier. So 1.28, this is the total volume of the post and the concrete coating. Concrete post and concrete coating. We will use class A, multiply by 9 is equal to 11.52 bags of cement. So we cannot buy 11.52. So we will say 12 bags of cement. For sand, volume, the same procedure, total volume times this multiplier, this is 0.5. This is constant. So it's equal to 0.64. 1.28 by 0.5 is 0.64 cubic meter of sand. For gravel, class A for gravel is multiplier is 1. So volume 128, total volume times 1 is equal to 1.28 cubic meter of gravel. So it means that this fence 12.75 meters length of concrete coating with a width of 0.5 meter and a thickness of 0.15, and there are 5 posts, concrete posts, which is the height is 2.8 meters with a size of 0.15 meter by 0.15. We need 12 bags of cement and 0.64 cubic meter of sand and 1.28 cubic meter of gravel by using class A mixture. So this is only an example. It's up to you if you will use class B or class C. The multiplier is already there in that table. Okay, so we need to know how to estimate. This is only a basic estimation. This is everybody can use this one. So no need to hire the estimator. Just follow this computation. You can arrive the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel what you want in your project. Kung magawa kayo ng fence, ikot ng bahay ninyo, so you need to compute also. Because if you hire an estimator, and we don't know, maybe they will put more additional volume. So we should know, if it is our project, we should know how much the estimated cost. So this data, you can ask how much the cement now, sand and gravel, and then you can arrive at total cost of your project. Plus 10%. We cannot, hindi naman may sakto natin yung estimation, yung budget natin. So you need to put more additional percentage. Okay, this is for the topic for today. And by next Saturday, if God's will, we will compute the rebars, and the tie wires we need for this fence, these details. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope we will take care of ourselves, no? Especially for this pandemic, coronavirus. And God bless us all. Thank you.